Hello students, let's move for the fifth sum in the exercise 7.3. So almost it is the last sum. So you have studied already, you are studied in 9th standard that the median of a triangle divide it into a true triangles of equal area. Median in the sense the midline, okay, this is called as the median here, AD is the median. So it divides the two triangle as a equal area in the sense area of triangle ABD equal to the area of triangle ADC. Okay, verify this result of triangle ABC whose vertices are A 4, -6, B 3, -2 and C 5, 2. So we want to verify whether the area of triangle ABD equal to the area of triangle ADC. Yes, let us verify. To find out the area of triangle ADB, the D midpoint we don't know. Let's calculate the D first. D is the midpoint of B and C. Let's calculate the coordinates of the D here. D, write down. D is the midpoint. It is the midpoint of what? BC, the line BC, right? D is the midpoint of the line BC. So if it should be like that, the coordinates of D are the coordinates of D are, I told you already, the exactly if it is a midpoint, the coordinates will comes in the form of x1 plus x2 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So you know already. So let us substitute this. X1 is 3 and x2 is 5. 3 plus 5 divided by 2 comma y1 is -2 and y1 is -2 plus y2 is +2 divided by 2. So that nothing but 3 plus 5 is 8 divided by 2, nothing but the 4 comma -2 plus 2 is 0 divided by 2. So nothing but it is 2 4s are 0 by 2 itself, it is 4 comma 0 are the coordinates of the D. So D we got here 4 comma 0. You have to mention in a diagram. So let us calculate the area of triangle ABD equal to the area of triangle ADC. Both want to come in the equal area. So let us calculate first area of triangle ABD. Area of triangle ABD. The formula you know already, that is the half into x, right, thrice it is x y minus y plus x y minus y plus x y minus y. Here 1 2 3, 1 after 2 3, 2 after 3 1, 3 after 1 2. So the number you have to write. Then you have to take half into, substitute the value of ABD. ABD in the sense A coordinates, B coordinate and D coordinate we want to take. Let's write the given for this. A coordinates x1 y1 or the 4 -6 and B coordinates are x2 y2. They are x2 y2 are the 3 -2 and C coordinates, that is the 3 x3 y3, that is D coordinate. Here ABD no, not C. So D coordinate you have to take. The D coordinates we got here 4 C. So this is for triangle ABD. Let's substitute. X1 is 4 into y2 is -2 and y3 is 0. So that is -0 plus x2 is 3 into y3 is 0 minus y1 is -6. Okay, plus x3 is 4 and y1 is -6. Then y2 is -2 minus of -2. So next is of into 4 -2 -0 itself, it is -2 plus 3. So 0 minus into minus is plus, 0 plus 6 is 6 plus 4 into -6 and minus into minus plus, -6 plus 2, -6 plus 2 is minus 4. Minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. So next step is half into plus into minus, minus 4 2s are 8 plus 6 3s are 18 plus into minus, minus 4 4s are 16. So finally we got here half into, so plus 18 minus 8 is plus 10, plus 10 minus 16 is minus 6. So 2 1s are 2 3s are, the value is minus 3 we got here. So area of triangle ABD, finally we got area of triangle ABD is minus 3 square units. Whether it is meter or centimeter we don't know, so write as it is as units. Yes, area of triangle ABD over. So in the same way area of triangle ADC is also minus 3 want to come. Okay, then only the triangle vertices, I mean we can tell that the medians of the triangle divides into two triangles of the equal area. Let's find out that. To prove for that, area of triangle, one more triangle is ADC. The same formula we can use, half into x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Same formula we can use here. Okay, next let's write the given for this. ADC in the sense A coordinate, D coordinate and C coordinate want to take. Keep remember that. Let's write the coordinates for ADC or ACD, however we can write. Let's write for that. So take x1 y1 as a coordinate, x1 y1 in the sense 4 minus 6, and x2 y2 is as a C coordinate, that is 5 2, and x3 y3 as a D coordinate. D coordinate we got here 4 0. So this is the given for this. Let's substitute for the same for the formula, half into, so x1 is 4 and y2 is 2 minus y3 is 0 plus x2 is 5, y3 is 0 minus y1 is minus 6 plus x3 is 4 into y1 is minus 6 and y1 minus y2 it is, that means y2 is minus 2. Okay, yes, x3 y1 minus y2, that is minus 2. So let us substitute, half into 4, 2 minus 0 in the sense 2 only, plus 5, 0 minus into minus is plus 6, plus 4 into minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8. Right? Okay, yes, half into 4 2s are it is 8, 4 2s are 8 plus 5 6 are 30 plus into minus 8 4s are 32. So half here plus 30 minus 32 is minus 2, 8 minus 2 is minus 6 again, 2 1s are 2 3s are. So we got here also minus 3. So triangle, area of triangle ADC is also minus 3. Area of triangle ADC minus 3 square units. So therefore we can write what, median divides that, I mean here area of triangle ABD equal to the area of triangle ADC. Therefore we can write median divides the triangle into two triangle of equal area. Median divides the triangle with equal area. Okay, so this is about the, I think, hope you will understand, fifth one and the last sum. Let's move for the next exercise 7.4. the exercise, one more exercise, it is 7.4. let's read the sum first. Yes, determine the ratio in which the line 2x plus y minus 4 equal to 0 divides the line segment joining the points A 2 comma minus 2 and B 3 comma minus 7. Yes, we want to determine the ratio in which the line segment is divided. Here we want to find out the ratio. So we don't know the ratio is how much and how it should be want to take and everything we don't know. So and also along with that we want to find out the what yes, that's all. I think the ratio only we want to find out. Let that ratio will be what k is to 1. Let's take that ratio will be k is to 1. Let the ratio is k is to 1. So yes, it divides the lines of the line joining point a 2 comma minus 2, b 3 comma 7, and the line has given, this is considered, this is a line is having a equation 2x plus y minus 4. Okay, so and this is a and b, and here the ratio will be there. So we don't know how it should be divided, whether it is, so that ratio should be taken as, so this c coordinates we want to find out, and also the ratio we want to find out. Keep in mind that divides in the ratio. Okay, say coordinates they not they are asking, but ratio we want to take. Let that ratio will be k is to 1, and then the coordinates of c become what? Coordinates of c are, so we know that how to find out the coordinates if the ratio is there, that is m1 formula, x coordinates m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, and the second coordinate y coordinate m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So this is the formula and we know already, right? m1 x2 plus m2 x1 x equals that divided by m1 plus m2, and y coordinates m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. This formula I have taken together because the coordinates, no, for that sake let's substitute for this. Yes, here m1 is a ratio k1 k is to 1, and x2 x1 x2 these are, and x2 y2 these are. Let's take here the ratio m1 m2 is, m1 is k, m2 is 1, and x1 y1, so the x1 is first coordinate 2 minus 2, and x2 y2, x2 y2 is the second coordinate, that is 3 7. So let's substitute for this. m1 is k into x2 is 3 plus m2 is 1 into x1 is 2 divided by m1 plus m2 in the sense k plus 1, right? Okay, next that comma m1 is here k into y2 is 7 plus m2 is 1 and y1 is minus 2 divided by again k plus 1 it is. So that equal to what happen here, 3 into k is 3k plus 2 divided by k plus 1 comma 7 into k 7k plus into minus 2 divided by k plus 1. So these are the coordinates of C, I mean this point. So let us substitute this coordinates, we will be taken as x comma y, right? Okay, let us substitute for this x and y value. So C coordinates C or x comma y, let us substitute that. So if you have taken the equation, so let us substitute. substitute coordinates of C to the equation. So which is that equation? 2x plus y minus 4 equal to 0. So 2 comma x value we got here 3k plus 2, 3k plus 2 divided by k plus 1, right? Plus y value is 7k minus 2 divided by k plus 1 minus 4 equal to 0. Yes. So here if you are taken a k plus 1, so as a LCM, because the same number, if the same number is there, the numerator will become 2 into 3k plus 2 plus it is also same because the LCM is same for the number, that is 7k minus 2. So minus 4, if it is moved to the RHS, it will become plus 4, right? So if we do the cross multiplication, always should be 1 here. So if we do the cross multiplication here, we got 2 into 3k plus 2 plus 7k minus 2 equal to 4 into k plus 1. So hope you will understand this, how it will come. Okay, if we do the cross multiplication, 2 3s are 6k plus 2 2s are 4 plus 7k minus 2 equals 4 into k, 4k plus into plus plus 4 1s are 4. Yes, take the k's to the k to the one side and the numbers to the side. So if we are doing 6k plus 7k, it is 7 plus 6 is 13, 13k, and this plus k 4k, if it is comes to the LHS, it will become minus 4k. So that equal to the 4 minus 2 is 6 here, 4 minus 2 is 2, 4, if it is that 2, if it is comes to the RHS, that will become a 4 plus 2 is 6, 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 if it is comes to this side, plus 2, it will become a minus 2. So that is minus 2. So 13k minus 4k is 9k, 9k equals 4 minus 2 again is 2. So therefore k equal to 2 divided by 9, 2 divided by 9, and the ratio will be, so what is the ratio? We are taken the ratio as k is to 1, ratio is k is to 1, so nothing but, so k divided by 1 also here, that nothing but the ratio is k is to 1 means 2 is to 9, 2 is to 9. So hope you will understand this. Always should be 1 no in a denominator, that will become k is to 1, so that nothing but the 2 is to 9. So hope you will understand this. Tomorrow I will continue with the second sum. Thank you.